are now listening to Serious Minds RNTV with your host, Professor Griff. The call-in number is 516-654-7688. That's 516-654-7688. This is Professor Griff, and this is Serious Minds RNTV. Serious Minds for Serious Minds. Seriously.
Peace, family. Are you tired of being denied life necessities such as cars, housing, and credit cards due to lack of credit history? Then if so, give Brother New a call today. Brother New will help you legally boost your credit score by adding seasoned trade lines. Brother New also does credit consultations. Make the change today. Call 504-276-2033 or visit TradelinesWithGamba.com.
The Serious Minds Brain Tonic was created to sharpen the mind by protecting cells and increasing neurotransmitters associated with learning and memory. This is the Serious Minds Brain Tonic. The Resurrection Formula. This male reproductive tonic elixir is the resurrection you've been looking for. It is a stimulating sexual tonic with mild androgen-like effects that is nourishing to the reproductive system. You can order them at www.professorgriff.me and www.seriousmindsinstitute.com. Just call 678-557-2919. Your health is your wealth. Peace.
Do your children love learning? At the Institute for Self-Mastery, we've been homeschooling for 10 years. We didn't just hop on this because of what's going on now. Check us out, the Institute for Self-Mastery, ismhomeschool.org. Peace.
All right, greetings once again. It's Professor Griffin. I'm back in the building for the second time today. I think y'all missed it the first time. All right, but anyway, between time, we're going to be talking about the ex-Georgia District Attorney is arrested. Not healthy, ma'am. Just kinda not healthy. Ex-Georgia District Attorney arrested for basically interfering, I guess you would say, in the case of Ahmaud Arbery. All right, and what else could you possibly say? Hold on for a second. It's just ugly. A former district attorney was arrested in Georgia this week after allegedly obstructing the Ahmaud Arbery murder case. All right. All right, hold on for a second. Hold on. coming right up with that. First, let me greet everyone. Hold on for a second. Here we go. All right. Shout out to everyone. Quan, what's good with you? All right. Greetings to everyone. Serious Minds family. This is Professor Grip, in case y'all didn't know that. All right. Somebody asked me that the other day. Like, A, they call you Professor? B, like, who are you? I'm like, wow. Like, where you been the last 20 years? All right. I got you, Quan. Dang. Let me go back to the beginning. Peace, Quan. Dang, you must have been on here before me, Quan. I'm seeing, hold on, I'm just missing all the announcements. If you would like to advertise your event or your business right here on Serious Minds RNTV, please hit me up at 678-557-2919. If you would like to purchase Serious Minds Brain Tonic, I'm looking for some. I don't see any in the general vicinity. Serious Minds Brain Tonic and or the Resurrection Formula. All right. I still have some Resurrection Formulas. The next batch is pouring in about a week and a half. All right. It's best to get it early, fam, for real. I won't even lie to y'all. All right. If you would like to purchase the Brain Tonic or the Resurrection Formula, it's available at www.professorgriff.me. All right. Okay. I was on earlier. It was a beautiful conversation that we had. We talked about firearms. We talked about getting some instruction, sitting in the class, going out on the range, preparing yourself. That's one of 2 talks that I'm going to have. Tomorrow I'm going to have another talk right before the class. Class is at 7 o'clock. I'm going to have the class around noon-ish, 1-ish. All right. The cutoff deadline is 5 o'clock tomorrow. The class is $50. Online only. All right. If you want to take the the in-person class is Saturday for $65. All right. Okay. Pistol 2. All right. It's Pistol 2, not Pistol 1. All right. Okay. If anyone need any more information, please hit me up 678-557-2919. All right. Let me see if I can find an article that's not going to take me through any rigmarole if I decide to read from it. All right. So tonight we are talking about, hold on, let me get this out of my face. And let me do this. And let me pull this down here like this so I can read it. All right. Wow, former Georgia District Attorney booked on charges of obstructing Ahmaud Arbery's murder case. Very interesting. Very, very interesting, family. I think we might need to see some pictures, so I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Hopefully it works out. All right. We're wrestling with this. No, we don't want video file. We want to share the screen. All right. All right, so if you're not familiar with the Ahmaud Arbery case, once again, for the last 10, 20 years, you must have been living under a rock, and I'm not sure what you even say about that. All right? The least we should do is watch the evening news to see what's going on locally. All right? If not, globally. All right, over. Let me stop the screen and do it again. Share the screen. Right? All right. That's the one I want. All right. Here we go. All right, fam. So, yeah, let me see if the video will play. Something's happening with the Wi-Fi. You know, some niggas, or the Wi-Fi, as my daughter calls it. All right, let's listen up.
I think about it a lot when I go out and run. It's a very strong connection when I run now to Ahmad Arbery. Ahmad and I were best friends. The way Ahmad died, it hurts my soul. He was jogging through a neighborhood minding his own business. Three white men decided to get in their trucks and pursue Ahmaud.
They became judge, jury, and executioner.
He didn't deserve anything that came to him on February 23rd, 2020.
It's very painful. Ahmaud was my baby, and Ahmaud's gone.
He was hunted down like an animal.
He was killed because of hate. This was a lynching.
Modern day lynching, and it looked like something that happened in the 1920s. It's 2020.
I miss the little kisses on the cheek. Ahmaud was the kid that would just come in the house and just give me a hug.
He was more than just a boyfriend. He was a friend.
Very shy and quiet. But once you got Ahmaud to kind of open up, oh man, it's just all kind of love and goodness in there.
His unofficial crime was jogging while black.
No one has been arrested or charged in the death of 25-year-old Ahmaud Arbery.
The local authorities, the police department, they had no intentions of making an arrest, and they did make an arrest.
What were they doing?
Telling lies, hoping I go away.
Her pursuit for the truth is heroic.
All right, fam, so I'm going to try to get through this evening, so bear with me, all right? Bear with me. Let me see if I can make this happen. It's spotting already. All right. I'm waiting for it to get black. In the meantime, between time, when it comes back, I'll put it back on. A former district attorney has been booked on charges linked to the alleged mishandling of the case of Ahmaud Arbery, a black man who was pursued and gunned down as he jogged through a Brunswick, Georgia neighborhood last year. All right. Here is her mugshot. Wow. Wow. As Flavor Flav would say, wow. Former Glenn County District Attorney Jackie Johnson, 49, has been arrested and booked for violation of oath and obstruction in the Ahmaud Arbery case. She was indicted by a grand jury last week. Glenn County District Attorney Jackie Johnson turned herself in to the Glenn County Sheriff's Office Wednesday morning, reports the Atlanta Journal-Constitution, after the grand jury returned an indictment on counts of obstruction and violation of oath by a public officer last week. Johnson was released from the Glenn County Detention Center on $10,000 bond. The paper reports the state prosecutors allege that she used her position to delay arrests of white men who chased and killed the 25-year-old Arbery. Johnson was the county's top prosecutor. Wow. When Ahmaud Arbery was fatally shot last year, and one of the armed men who pursued him had worked for her as an investigator. Georgia Attorney General Chris Carr, a Republican, sought the indictment after requesting an investigation of possible misconduct by a local prosecutor who failed to bring charges in the killing. Father and son Greg and Travis McMichael armed themselves with guns and gave chase in a pickup truck on February 23rd, 2020, after they spotted Ahmaud Arbery running in the neighborhood just outside the port city of Brunswick. A neighbor, William Roddy Bryan, joined the chase and took a cell phone video of Travis Michael fatally shooting Arbery at close range with a shotgun as Arbery fought back with his fists. McMichael told police that they thought Arbery was a burglar, and that Travis Michael shot him in self-defense. No arrests were made in the shooting until more Then 2 months later, after the cell phone video leaked online, sparking a national outcry, and the Georgia Bureau of Investigations took over the case. The McMichaels and Bryant are now jailed as they await trial on murder charges. Johnson has insisted she did nothing wrong, saying that she immediately recused her office from handling the case because McMichael had been an employee. Still, Arbery's parents and their attorneys have long accused the ex-district attorney of trying to help the young man's killers avoid prosecution. And I quote, "Yesterday was a very huge win. Wanda Cooper Jones, Ahmaud Arbery's mother, told reporters last week after the indictment was announced, I'm speechless. Unfortunately, Ahmad is not here with us today, but losing Ahmad, it will change some of the things here in the state of Georgia." Hold on. Hold on. I read this from Kalaji's page on Twitter. Kalaji Chaba Changa. Until we take police terrorism and other forms of state-sanctioned sponsored violence personal, we will remain hopelessly devoted, lost souls praying that the soulless warmongers who prey on us will suddenly respect our lives without organization. It will always respect our lives. Without organization, it will always be a dream deferred. That statement, and the reason why I copied it from his page and read it to you, it touches me because, wow, I'm trying to, as y'all know, I've been working with Professor Griff, and I'm trying to work with him. It just, yeah, to see how black people can't come together on just nothing but partying and bullshitting, yeah, it's critical, man. It's really critical, seriously. No, it is really, really critical. I've been experiencing some weak-ass Negroes and just black people that don't want to come together on basic stuff. How about like come together on basic stuff like survival? Put your money together to get some food to store, to stock up. All right? The ex-district attorney Johnson would face 1 to 5 years in prison if convicted of violating her oath of office. The obstruction charge is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year in jail. She's guilty. Let's have the sentencing tomorrow. I don't mind. All right? Can you imagine how many times this woman have done this? And women like her have done this? Come on, man. Where can I get my footage back? Can I? Can you imagine that? All right. Guess I could do this. All right. So family, talk to me. What do you think? While y'all are thinking this over, I got an online class going on tomorrow. It's Pistol 1 and 2, because it's like a blended learning. All right, it's only online. If you want to take the offline course or class, pardon me, it's Saturday at the Georgia firing line. Family, talk to me. They won't give me the what's the name back. I had the footage. He told the whole story. I was trying to lay a base, but it didn't work out. Somebody just sent me a message. Yeah, I saw this today. Joe Biden will try to impose the CVD vax mandate on all businesses with 100 or more employees. If y'all got 100, just fire one, lay one off, so you got 99. They doing everything. They giving people money, free condoms, weed, free tickets to games, all kind of stuff, man. Get this stuff in people, this poison in people. Damn. Hell. Whoo. It's to be expected with these demons. You're right, Quan. But this is one of the cases, Jazz and Nine, you said the purge. I hear you. This is one of those cases where armed militia showed up in Brunswick, Georgia. Protesters, the vigor, the tenacity, the stick-to-itiveness of his mom wanting justice, along with all the other moms wanting justice. If you are not convinced that there are some white supremacists that are on the police force across this country, you done bumped your damn head somewhere, man. So, Quan, are we better off just keeping them in these political positions? Quan said we combat this type of behavior by placing our own people in these political positions. But once black people get in these positions, do they turn Negropeans on us? Or should we just leave white people in place? I read your last statement, Jazz and Nine, that's all. Nope, you're absolutely correct. If you let Larry Elder or Candace Owens tell it, racism don't even exist anymore. Uncle Charles Barkley and some of these other well-to-do Negroes, yeah. How are we going to create our own independent system when we can't even get together on anything constructive? I've seen black people getting together just on some bullshit. I call some people together, they just, nah, man. Hold on. Hold on. And this thing is still spinning, man. Nah, Nelson. I'm on my show until 10 o'clock. Is it emergency? I'll call you at 10:01. All right. All right, peace. You know, when your children call, you want to know if it's an emergency, especially your daughters out there in, you know, wherever they are. You got to be like, well, what's happening? You understand what I'm saying? Damn, for real? Larry Elder had white elders as his security and eggs thrown at him. Damn. All right. Didn't know that one. Whoever's willing to be part of the community must be all in, and then you don't need everybody. You're right. You really don't. You're right. No, you're right, Jazz and I think we should just come on one day, a 2-hour show, and just read the whole damn book of Willie Lynch. So because people keep making excuses that they don't understand. You're right, Quan. That needs to be a t-shirt. For real. Nope, you're absolutely right, Miss Elohim. Right now is the time to call on our voodoo priests and priestesses, Santeria, all the other traditions we know. All right, and say, listen, go to work for real. I wanted to talk about that. We spoke on Havana's curse. Is it Havana's? Hold on. Havana's curse, is it? Havana syndrome attacks, leaving baffled symptoms, pardon me. Y'all heard of the Havana curse? Havana syndrome attacks? We'll talk about that, hopefully, get a chance. All right. Family, listen to me. Right now, as we speak, the newsletter is available. Go to www.seriousmindsinstitute.com. As a matter of fact, let's take a pause for the cause. Let's everybody go there right now. www.seriousmindsinstitute.com. Can you put that up for me, Quan? All right. Everyone in the Serious Cipher should have received a free link to it. All right. For you to access it. All right. This is volume 1. Make sure y'all get them and download them. All right. Make sure you'll get this volume 1, issue 1. Make sure you'll get every single one of them. All right. It's a newsletter. It's jam-packed. All right. But you got to get it from my website, seriousmindsinstitute.com. Click on the link. It'll take you to the point where you donate and get the newsletter. All right. All right. Now back to what we were saying. Quan, would you believe I'm still waiting for this thing to come? Anyway, it says the 3 defendants in Ahmaud Arbery's killing will stand trial on state murder charges next month. They are also expected to stand trial on federal hate crimes charges in February. Georgia was one of the handful of states that did not have a hate crime law at the time of Arbery's killing, but his death galvanized advocates in the state and led to a passage of state hate crimes statute last year. The new law allows for longer sentences for those convicted of hate crimes motivated by bias, but it cannot be applied retroactively to Arbery's case. I borrowed Soleil's cup, don't tell her. The crazy plant lady. Oh, how convenient. You're right, Quan. So family, talk to me. And syndrome, you're right. We're going to talk about that. Hopefully, if I get a chance, we can cover that tomorrow. But this, I have to talk about simply because this is you could tear this right out of the playbook of racism, white supremacy. And then on cue, the Larry Elders and the rest of these people claiming that racism don't exist. You Negroes crack me up. seriously cracked me up. Ginsburg put out a book called 100 Years of Lynching. We're going to get one and we're going to send it to Larry Elder. I'm sure he's heard it, and Candace Owens. I'm sure they've heard of it already. This is bothering me that this rest of this film clip won't play. This is sad. Hold on. Not good. Hold on. I was all excited, thought I was doing something special tonight. We was going to rock the film. Yeah. Something is happening with the Wi-Fi. That's what it is. With the Wi-Fi. All right. Anyway, fam. Shout out to all of those individuals that have donated to the platform. Really appreciate that. Let me shout you out while it's on my mind. Shout out to everyone that gave a thumbs up to the new song that I released. Like I told y'all, fam, I got one more video to shoot off the Energy Code album. Tag. Bitcoin doing the damn thing. Hold on. Deanne Dillard. Deanne Dillard, thank you very much. Really appreciate that, Miss Deanne Dillard. All right. You'll see me trying to do the old man navigation thing. Yeah, no, can't make it happen. All right, fam. Quan, I am going to do a sale probably on Monday night, Monday and Tuesday. For everyone that signs up for the newsletter, and to everyone in the Serious Cipher, and to everyone in the Alternative Black Studies course that has taken the Black Studies course, I'm going to give a discount on the Public Enemy joints. Man, where's my joint at? For real, nah, man. All right. I want to show my appreciation to those individuals. All right. Anyone participating in the Serious Cipher, they get a discount on everything right across the board. They're the ones that donate every month. All right. So if they want to take the class, they get percentage of the class off the whole bit. All right. All right. The 10 states with the largest percentage of African-American population in America for 2021, Mississippi, Louisiana, Georgia, Maryland, South Carolina, Alabama, Delaware, North Carolina, Virginia, and Tennessee. How many of them have a hate crimes bill in place? Because I'm sure the hate didn't stop. Sometimes, and don't hold us against me, fam, I just need some help. All right. So for a few minutes, Professor Griff is going to lay on the proverbial couch and y'all going to take some notes. All right. So let me just say this. All right. Help me out. Let me put this on. Hold on. Let me mute that so y'all can hear me. Sometimes it's just me. But do you ever ask yourself sometimes, why do white people hate us? And then I'm going to get to the other question of why black people hate themselves. But we already know that answer. But you ever think sometimes like, damn, why do white people hate us so much? Like, you ever ask yourself, or is this just me? I'm going to let you marinate on that. As Popeye would say, do. Just me? No one else? Never ask yourself that? Mixed Master, DJ X, one that you ask yourself that all, yeah, me too. I just say, damn, why do white people just like, because I think I've studied history. I can't see a goddamn thing that black people done to white people as a whole as far as, I'm just trying to figure it out, man. Help me out, fam. Damn. Are any white people on here listening? Can y'all help me, please? Can y'all call me, text me or something? Can y'all help me out, please? Just whites only. 678-557-2919. I got my phone in my hand. Waiting for y'all to call. I'm waiting. Any brave white people? Not one. I'm waiting for one to call and just help me out. Yes, I'm waiting. And I'm still waiting. Yeah, waiting. Yeah. Nope, not yet. No white people. 678-557-2919. None. All right. Guess I wasn't as popular as I thought I was. I just want to know, man. Just help me out. Like, dude, man. I mean, did we do something that bad that we can't just say, look, I'm sorry, yo, my bad, son? Or like make up for it, or I don't know. As Larry Elder say, pay white slave masters reparations or something? No, we can't do that. No, we can't. Is that the Andy Griffin show? Starring Andy Griffin? I think so, man. You busted me, Enemies Public. Late night, when my wife go to sleep, I kind of peek over the covers, grab the remote, turn the TV on. I started watching while I was doing some research. So I started watching old, what do you call them? Television shows. Andy Griffin and Petticoat Junction and Perry Mason. And because the way they shot those is what I'm trying to do with my next and last video for my album. I want to shoot it in monochrome. So I'm kind of studying it and I'm doing some research, like, 1, 2 in the morning. I'm like, how did they get this look without having to get expensive cameras? So I'm just, so I guess you kind of busted me, Enemies Public. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Lucky Duck says they hate us because we are the original band. So Quan, I'm not the only one, huh? But I'm watching it purely because I need to study for this next film or this next video. I've got to the point, family, where I stopped relying on people, stop calling people. People don't return phone calls. I just leave people alone, man. For real. I don't do it no more. So yeah, I know some people that could shoot my next video, but they trying to charge me 3-4 racks. My last video cost me $300. The video before that cost me about $150. Because I shot it here Soleil did the set design. Shane filmed it. I filmed Soleil. Shane filmed me. We sat down and Shane edited. I kind of came up with the concept and Soleil did the set design. And somebody want to come along and charge me $3,000? Did you ever see the video of Dr. Wesley Muhammad on how to kill a god? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. All right, so I was trying to sum this up. I was waiting for YouTube to come up. Oh, YouTube is here. Hold on. Hold on. Nope. Hold on. Trial case. I'm trying to find the footage for y'all. Arbery, hold on. Hold on. I'm trying to find it. Which one is it? Let's see if it's this one. 11 months ago, 1 year ago. Damn, all of them 11 months ago. It's ridiculous. But anyway, let me find a way to sum this up, family. Where we at? All right, let me sum this up by doing this. I'm going to sum it up by saying, what you doing, little baby? Come, you better come here. I'm not playing with you. Come here. You want to be, come here. Come here. You want to be on the show with me? Come on. We're talking about Ahmaud Arbery. All right. And you like to say something? No, you straight? You straight? Don't say that. So listen, we're trying to sum. Yeah, but this is Instagram and this is YouTube, and you won't even understand this now. What you about, like 1 or something? A little bit later on. We're talking about this case where his brother was jogging. You understand what I'm saying? Like your dad be jogging. All right. Your daddy be jogging? No, you don't even know. You said, okay, cool. But anyway, but we don't want your dad to get caught up in nothing like that. So we got to put this information out so we can just kind of balance this thing out and make people awake and aware and raise the vibe. Why you trying to fight me or something? I'm not playing with you. Don't fight. Why you trying to fight me, man? We're supposed to be down.
Say sorry, Baba.
Huh?
Baba Wolf a kiss.
Say bye-bye. See you later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
You say bye-bye to me? You
give
leaving?
Baba Wolf a kiss. Give Baba Wolf a hug.
She don't want to hug me. She rather fight. See, she rather fight.
You say bye-bye.
See you later. Bye-bye. All right. Put your vegan diaper on, man. Get out of here. See you later. Oh, she waving to the dummy in there.
Yep.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
They love you.
All right. Thanks for coming over. All right. As soon as I get off here, bro, we fighting. I'm serious, man.
Okay.
Ain't but how old is she?
15 months.
15 months and throwing blows already. See how black people act?
I learned from Baba Wolf.
You, all right. Now, what was I doing? Oh, we was about to sum this up. So I guess now that there's light shine on this whole situation, and now the world is focusing in on these kind of cases. All right. I guess we got to go back into the history books and start digging up all these cases. All right. There are some cases, and I wish I could let y'all know and had the information in front of me about certain cities and states are actually letting people out of jail because of crooked cops and the testimony of crooked cops and crooked lawyers and crooked prosecutors and just crooked as hell. All right. For real. All right. All right. Somebody said, who is that is Soleil's daughter's daughter. Now, I'm 61 years old. I mean, I ain't got no 15-month-old. Y'all need to stop that. Man, I wouldn't be able to do this show. I'd be like, man, I am tired. Nah. You right, Rick Gatlin. Left hook to the face. I'm like, damn, what I was really protecting is these damn expensive ass glasses. These things are expensive. These glasses that you got to wear sitting in front of the computer to deflect that blue light so you don't damage your eyes. I'm like, man, I ain't buying them. Man, bruh. Real. All right. It's been real, fam. I got to call my daughter back. I got to get back upstairs to help babysit and that kind of thing. And all right. Sign up for the class. Tomorrow is at 7 o'clock. It's only $50. And we will be discussing in the class. Of course, it's called the Concealed Carry Home Defense 2 class. And in this particular class, we're going to rediscover the shooting fundamental basics in order to, we have to master these things in order to lay a firm foundation and develop and maintain the highest level of confidence in the event of any self-defense situation. So we're going to go over stance, building your grip, presentation, the draw from the holster, sight alignment, sight pitch, breath control, trigger press, trigger discipline, trigger control. Hence, triggernology. I already said sights. We're going to talk about the legal aspects, all right, of being a firearm owner. We're going to talk about safe storage and safe staging, all right, target acquisition, reload, unloading your firearm, and we're going to talk about target analysis. All right, we're going to talk about target analysis, and we're going. Tomorrow, this weekend, I'm supposed to announce the November 19th retreat in South and North Carolina. It's called the Terror Dome. All right, we're getting together with a couple of firearms clubs, and we're taking not trigonometry, triggernology, the knowledge of triggernology. We're just taking carloads of people. Going to Myrtle Beach. We're going to have a good time. And then we're going to drive over early in the morning on Saturday to the range. We're going to spend the day with different instructors. All right, doing different drills, different things to get people right. If you would like to be on that retreat in November, hit your brother up, 678-557-2919. Just text me. All right. In the meantime, between time, I love y'all to life, fam. I'm going to go put something on my eye, that left hook I got a few minutes ago. I love y'all to life, fam. Inshallah, I might speak with you guys tomorrow. Not sure. I got the class. I got to go help my man, Gas Tactical, do his thing. And it's in North Carolina. Where in North Carolina? I can't tell you that. You got to hit me up and get the info. All right. 678-557-2919. Text me, y'all. All right. Love y'all to life, fam. All right. The class is tomorrow, 7 o'clock. Hit me up before 5 to register. Then my in-person class, I'm about 3 hours drive from MB. I don't even know what MB is. I don't know what that is. Oh, Myrtle Beach. Okay. All right, that's cool. Got you. All right. All right, anyway. All right, fam. Hit me up. 678-557-2919. Peace. I got to get out of here. Blah, 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 blah.